Hi everyone, this is Piotr from Tapflo. Today I will introduce our range of the industrial mixers. Watch this movie and learn how to perform mixing in the easiest way. Many of the liquids used in the industry require mixing to reach smooth, homogeneous structure, or certain powders or polymers must be dissolved before being used in the process. Now, this mixing can be done in an intermediate tank or a storage tank, but that means extra energy for transferring, then a cleaning procedure, losses of the liquids, which we do not want. So, why not mixing or dissolving directly in the IBC tank or a drum instead of that? And we all know these containers are very commonly used in the industry, handling various liquids. They are easy to move and they are reusable. Mixing inside an IBC or a drum is very easy and will spare your energy and your time. Let's take a look at the IBC mixer here. This is our most commonly used mixer, and the idea behind the product is to keep it simple but robust, means long-living and 24/7 operation. Focus on safety of operation, no compromise here. Then make it flexible in configuration and stock available, ready to be delivered immediately. You can see that the mixer is built on a stainless steel frame, clamped directly to the IBC. And what's important, the mixer will never start when not fixed properly here, or it will stop immediately if someone opens the clamp here. This is one of the main safety features. Our mixers are very quiet. You can hardly hear them when in operation. So it is important that they stop automatically when disassembled. We use an interlock switch for that. Our IBC mixers are suitable for the wide range of liquids. This starts with water-like low viscosity liquids. Up to the viscosity of the motor oil, we can use a simple fixed impeller. It will run at high speed, driven by an electrical motor or a pneumatic air motor. If you deal with more thick liquids, up to the viscosity of the chocolate syrup, about 15,000 centipoise, then we use an impeller of bigger diameter and it will run at lower speed. IBC tank inlet is limited. That's why we use a folding impeller here. It gets inside the tank, folded, and unfolds when the rotation starts. It is very efficient and robust, quite heavy, I must say. For very thick liquids, we apply two such impellers mounted on one shaft. Then, if there is high solid content in the liquid, when there is a sedimentation at the bottom of the tank, then we can move the solids up by applying extra impeller at the bottom that we call a kicker. It works like that. Here we have a low-speed mixer, one with the folding impeller. It's run by the gear motor. It is one phase supplied, but very often this would be three-phase supplied. Every electrical motor that we deliver with a mixer comes with an electrical box. This one includes on/off buttons, so you can easily control the operation. Also, the motor is protected from overloading, and there is always a plug here, so you can easily connect the mixer and operate it immediately. If you would like to use one mixer for various liquids and change the speed of rotation for that, then we would supply a frequency inverter built on to control the speed. Our mixers are produced in Europe. They are tested and CE marked as a guarantee of safety and proper operation. If you operate with hazardous liquids like alcohol, for example, we can supply a suitable EX protected mixer. Have I mentioned that all our mixers can be air-driven? Okay, some other features of the IBC mixers. It is easy to move them around. As a standard, we supply a stainless steel frame with an eye bolt for lifting, but a mixer can also be supplied with the forklift pockets to lift it up with a forklift truck. Then, if you would like to dissolve the powder inside, we can offer a hopper, a kind of hatch opening for the purpose. Also, if you would like to fill the IBC easily with various liquids, then we have an extra liquid inlet available in the frame, very useful. Last but not least, all our mixers are produced and stocked in Europe. It means that you can receive them within a few days. Same when it comes to the spare parts. I mentioned the drum, as many liquids are supplied in such containers. We also have a solution for drums, same as for the IBC. It includes a dedicated lid with an opening here, mixer with a drive, and a spot for pump assembly. This one is air-driven with a valve for speed regulation. Summing up, you could see that our industrial mixers are well thought through, robust, simple but very safe in operation. This way we make mixing process much easier. If you're interested in our offer of mixers or pumps, just get in touch via email sales@tapflo.com or check our website tapflo.com and find your local support. Thanks for watching.